Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are going to learn the Nepali names for common colors. I have selected a few primary colors that we come in contact with in everyday life. I will first identify the colors with its English name. Then I will pronounce the Nepali name 3 times. Surprise your parents and grandparents. Let's begin.
Ash,
Kharani, Kharani, Kharani.
black,
Kalo, Kalo, Kalo.
brown,
Khairo, Khairo, Khairo.
crimson,
Simrik, Simrik, Simrik.
golden,
Sunaula, Sunaula, Sunaula.
green,
Hariyo, Hariyo, Hariyo.
red,
Rato, Rato, Rato.
orange,
Suntala, Suntala, Suntala.
pink,
Gulabi, Gulabi, Gulabi.
maroon,
Kaleji, Kaleji, Kaleji.
purple,
Piaji, Piaji, Piaji.
yellow,
Pahelo, Pahelo, Pahelo.
white,
Seto, Seto, Seto.
blue,
Nilo, Nilo, Nilo. Colors can be light or dark. Light is Fikka, 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 and dark is Gara, Gara, Gara.
light blue,
Ficca Nilo, Ficca Nilo, Ficca Nilo.
dark blue,
Gara Nilo, Gara Nilo, Gara Nilo. This concludes our presentation. Thank you and see you again for the next presentation.